lamabandla lawa esikhulele sikhonza kona, I will count iJericho ngaphakathi. Mawubhabhadise khona noma wamukelwa khona, isithunya sakhona or umnda wakhona, they never get to leave you, Phathanani. Even if ngisho noma you transition from Christianity into an African spirituality, isithunya sakhona sihamba nawe. Umnda wakhona uhamba nawe. That is why you wouldn't find umuntu obeka sonto ezithisi anganaso isambatho esikringenilo. Because of usuke honora isithunya sakhona at that particular time. You'd find abanye abantu belokhunjana umuntu mhlambe sekaphumelelile isonto leseka ngapha and then be bashing out isonto ukuthi hey alingisebenzelanga wara and on. I don't advise to do that. I don't advise people to do that because I know ukuthi at a certain time empilweni yakho isithunya salela bandla lelena worked for you. Made sure that you are protected kwezinye zezimpi zikamoya that you didn't know anything about, and that is why sizothola sisahamba nawo. So umunye umuntu akhulekele ezinye zezinto acela bona ngaphenduleki, kanti at some point nje kudingeka ukuthi uhambe ubuyele kulela sonto lakho ufike nje mhlambe usonte for that day, uma kube kuyanikelwa ngama-5 ngama-2 unikele, do whatever that you used to do at that particular time. Isithunya sakhona sikubona ukuthi ukhona ekhaya, then masiqeda bese sikubless whatever that it wants to bless you.
But amanye amasonto mos awafuni izangoma.
Yes.
So how am I gonna go and bless them with my 5 rand offering or whatsoever? Because some churches, honestly, I don't know ukuthi,
especially the Pentecostal ones that I've just mentioned to you, ukuthi labo sikhulele kona kudala, they don't want ilokhunjana anything that is to do with izangoma and all of that. But now listen, akusisonto elingafuni izangoma, akusisonto elingafuni ngamadlozi. Isithunya sebandla yiso esingafuni ukuba associated nedlozi, because isithunya sebandla masibona idlozi lomnguni, it sees idlozi lomnguni as a filthy, dirty ancestor, a type of an ancestor ehamba ngenyawo phansi engcolile efaka ibhidani efaka idumane ekhanda kuyimess nje. Whereas sona masizibona as ngcwele, purity, hierarchy, levels. So ungangihlanganisi, me and you are not of the same level. Stay there, I'll stay there.
so manje ke kumele ngenze njani ke?
That is when
Since when are you saying ukuthi you can, because even if you usuka kwezenkolo uya kwezesintu,
yes,
isonto lakho you can still visit and say hi and whatsoever. So manje if isithunywa sale sonto lona libona ukuthi cha mina ngcolile ke, kumele ngenze njani ke mina?
khumula amabhithi phansi, khumula amabhithi wabeke phansi, geze mntasekhaya, ube skuni, gcoke ngendlela yongcwanga ngakhona esontweni, uhambe ushone esontweni. Do what the Romans do, to get it done, buye, buyisela amabhithi akho phansi, uqhubeke kube isangoma sakho. For that day,
But that's not me now.
I know that it's not you, but at this case, you are supposed to do what you're supposed to do at that particular time. Because whatever lena oyicelayo, iphethwe ilesa sithunywe lesa salela bandla lena, and it's the one. Yise sikufuna ukuthi wozovakasha nami ngikubona ukuthi usesekhona. Remember that you signed the covenant.